My name's Amanda Duggar. I am a two-time cancer survivor of Hodgkin's lymphoma and breast cancer, most recently diagnosed in September of 2020. I found out about the SOAR program through nutrition counseling that I had sought through Moffitt Cancer Center. My husband and I sought any and every available resource that we could to help me through my treatment.
My name is Diane Riccardi. I'm a registered dietitian at Moffitt Cancer Center. SOAR is an acronym that stands for Survivors Overcoming and Achieving Resiliency. This is a class that's provided to breast cancer survivors as they actively transition from this active treatment into survivorship. It's a time when women are asking what's the next step in their cancer journey.
After the farro cooks in the broth and you drain it, you put like 2 tablespoons of butter in it to make it good. The SOAR program impacted our family by introducing us to a lot more plant-based diet techniques and cooking techniques that we weren't very familiar with. And it was just a really great avenue and kind of a support group to follow along in the test kitchen and try new recipes that were going to be nutritious and help my body get through additional treatments like chemotherapy.
Hi, I'm Smitha Pabathi. I'm the medical director of the Survivorship Clinic at Moffitt Cancer Center, McKinley campus. So we know more and more that nutrition is an important tool in cancer prevention. So when we talk about how we support the pillar of cancer prevention and survivorship, nutrition is a great and important strategy in doing that. We know more and more about the benefits of plant-based nutrition with respect to not only cancer prevention, but how our whole body works and how that impacts the nutritional health of our gut with respect to our microbiome. Patients need this information. They're asking for it in different aspects of their cancer journey. For instance, they're asking for it in, at the time of diagnosis, during treatment and into survivorship. So the needs for that may be different along their cancer care continuum, and we need to learn more about how to meet those needs in the various aspects of their cancer journey.
So as always, let's go through our little tour of ingredients and let's make sure we have everything. I'm Sonya Pflanzer. I'm a physician assistant in the Survivorship program at Moffitt Cancer Center. At the heart of SOAR is our virtual teaching kitchen. This is where nutrition really comes alive. This is where we can translate nutrition for our patients and teach them, as well as their family and their friends by extension, how to incorporate a plant-based diet.
It certainly was an adjustment to work all this plant-based menu items into our lifestyle, because being primarily meat eaters, it was kind of new to us to not have a piece of chicken or a piece of beef as part of our meal. But we really got used to it and embraced it, and found that these plant-based meals were not just nutritious, but extremely, tasty.
When the pandemic hit, we had to convert to the virtual format. And when we did that, we realized the benefit of having the women now in their own homes, in their own kitchens, and able to cook along with us.
We went from an in-person class to the virtual space using Zoom. And for us, it really enhanced our program, which was a total surprise for us. The connection is everything. With the cooking aspect, we are all cooking together, we're talking, we're laughing, we're making mistakes, we're telling stories, and we're learning. And then at the end of it all, we break bread together, we eat. And that is really the neat thing, to everyone to be in their most comfortable spot in their home, in their kitchen, and they're cooking.
The only people you're connecting with have to do with your cancer care. And so sometimes that's a little bit of a different experience, or maybe a sad experience, but we were all going through treatment together or had gone through treatment in the past, and all the women had breast cancer. So that was actually a really nice bonding experience to go through learning this new information together. It was really interesting to interact with everyone virtually, but it was almost therapeutic. So even though it wasn't really designed to be a support group, it became a support group, because every week we were looking forward to seeing one another and experimenting and reporting back how our recipes turned out or how our family members enjoyed them.